When my jeans get a hole, I know what to do. I just whip out some scissors, cut another hole or two. Yeah, I'm really good at fixing things without really fixing anything. But when I hear a strange noise from the hood of my truck, I know what to do, just turn that radio up. Yeah, I'm really good at fixing things without really fixing anything. So when you went and broke my heart, I knew what to do right from the start. Found me a stranger in a honky-tonk park, drink a little too much, went a little too far. When I'm walking down the street and I see you coming, I turn the other way like I just remember something. Yeah, I'm really good at fixing things without really fixing anything. From the start, found me a stranger in a honky-tonk bar, drank a little too much, went a little too far. I could get dressed up and get you back, but we both know what's gonna happen after that. 'Cause I'm really good at fixing things the same way I do everything. Yeah, I'm really good at fixing things without really fixing anything.
这一首舞4个8拍，4面墙，右脚起步。第一个小节，右脚尖往前踢踏踏，右脚尖往前点踏，换左脚往前踢踏踏，左脚尖往前点踏。第二小节，右脚尖前点侧点，往后一个后交前交，在左旁摇，右回重心，向右后后交旁踏，再向右转90左前踏。第三个小节，右脚右前摇，左回重心，往后退恰恰，再往后退2步，再个海岸步，退并进。第四个小节，右脚往前走2步，右脚往前踢踏踏，再个摇椅步，右前摇回，右后摇回。现在我们来数拍，1加2 3 4 5加6 7 8 2 2 3加4 5 6 7加8 3 2 3加4 5 6 7加8 4 2 3加4 5 6 7 8。这一首舞有2种间奏，分别是8拍和4拍。现在我先来示范8拍的间奏。右脚右前摇回退并进，换左脚左前摇回退并进，数拍1 2 3加4 5 6 7加8。这8拍的间奏分别是在第3面和第6面跳完。第3面跳完是面向9点钟，而第6面跳完则是面向6点钟，就接这个8拍的间奏。另外一个间奏是4拍，现在我来示范这个4拍的间奏。这是一个摇椅步，右前摇回，右后摇回，数拍1 2 3 4。这个4拍的间奏是在第5面跳完，面向3点钟，就接这个4拍的间奏。